Joey, out of the service center.
I don't think he's on.
Does he smoke when he trades?
I have no idea, buddy.
Yeah, that would be some shit. Dimitri, did you ever do that?
I smoke almost every single day when I trade.
No, I get it, but I'm talking about did you ever like wake and bake and then trade?
I'm high almost every single day on the stream.
You're
That's
lying.
terrible. That's
No,
terrible.
why? Why? Bro, you see, if you say that, it's because, like, let's say it hits you differently, but if you're a regular smoker, it doesn't really hit you like that. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, your
Yes, Albert,
function.
I smoke almost every single day. I have a pen. It's called the bar, sauce bar.
Bro, I smoke every day. You don't have to feel any type of way. It's fine.
No, I'm
I'm
not.
just
I
saying.
I don't think you believe me. I'm telling you the truth. I stay high.
This is our previous floor. Let's see if we reject this right here.
I think, like, for me personally, I tend to become a little bit more emotional, I feel like, if I'll be high.
I'm
You're
gonna
just a little
try a
bitch.
I'm gonna try a put here, I think. This is the previous floor.
Are you gonna do it, yes or no? Stop
Uh
fucking around, bro.
Not
Don't play
yet.
with my emotions.
POC
I'm
rejection.
doing it at VWAP, bro.
We're already past VWAP.
What do you
QQQ's
mean? I
at
thought the
VWAP.
yellow line was VWAP.
No, that's the 50 on the 1 minute.
Holy shit. Damn, I'm fucking up.
POC. This is POC.
No confirmation to short, guys. We bounced off of sloping support from yesterday. This was perfect bounce area. No confirmation to short. This is bullish. Look at the staking candles, Albert. You see? 4 or
Yeah.
5 staking candles. It's bullish.
Yeah. Ryan, you did also teach me that, bro. So I don't know what you're talking about a put play here.
Because this was the previous floor, but we flipped the floor and now we're back into this demand zone that we had before. I have 653 puts on my screen. We're at POC. QQQ's rejecting VWAP.
I'm just waiting for a confirmation, guys. I
I'm
have
in.
What's
Friday's
your confirmation?
expiration.
I'm in.
Friday's expiration.
I'm in. POC's my stop. If we flip POC, then I'm out. Instant green. We have to break back through this previous floor. If we hold this floor and go through POC, then I'm stopping out. QQQ rejected VWAP. SPY rejected POC. I'm at 87-cent average, 653 puts, 200 contracts. There we go. Boom, boom, boom.
And I'm out. Thank
Yeah.
you, Ryan.
I'm going
About
to take
200.
some. QQQ's looking to see if they're going to do a fresh low. I'm down to runners.
The first time, Ryan, you took a trade, and I'm still waiting.
And it was a put, too.
Yeah, first time
Yeah.
ever, huh?
Could you imagine?
I'm still waiting.
I'm still in runners. QQQ's looking like they want to go fresh low. POC is still my stop. QQQ wants fresh low. I want the 200.
Ryan's eyes are like fucking frog eyes. One eye is glued to fucking QQQ, the other eye is on fucking Spy. It's like it's always in sync.
Come on, one more push. This is bounce zone on the Qs.
I want 654.19, guys. That's what I want for puts. I'm waiting for 654.19.
This is bounce zone QQQ. They're gonna do fresh low. Fresh low makes sense. I think the 200 is a good play. We should get the 200. 653 area. I'll go all out.
Roll out small money.
I'm going to take a little more size off just in case we get a nasty bounce. Oh, yeah.
Stayed with you. Pussy down.
That's fresh low QQQ. Now we should get a bounce. Come on, give me the 200. I'm down to 50 runners. It's taking too long. I'm going to jump out. I'm out. $2,200.
Ryan, I want
Yo.
you to fix my psychology on something. You see the way you go half, like whenever you size down. I don't know why I don't feel I don't know, for my appetite, I feel like I'm only playing with 10 contracts. I don't know why. Am I wrong for thinking like that?
No, I do it as an insurance policy because I have profit and I want to take the profit that I have, because if we put in a nasty bounce, say I had $2,000 of profit there at the bottom of that candle and I didn't take anything off, if we put in a nasty bounce to POC, I would have been back to red or break even, you know?
You suggest that even if you play with 2 contracts, stay disciplined when you're in a profit, just cut it in half.
I mean, it's a little bit different because it's only going to be a few bucks.
Yeah,
So
it's like a couple of dollars. But you're playing with size, so I get it. It makes a lot more sense. But I think I should still develop discipline. And when I do learn and when I do go more, that I need to remember to size down.
yeah. Yeah, it is good practice, like Chris said. I'm just wired that way. Every trade I get in, I'm pretty much. I can't remember the last time I just bought and sold. I usually just buy and then I start trimming it out.
Good morning.
What's up, buddy? QQQ's
What's
looking like
up?
shit. Spies rejecting. I don't want to get back in puts yet.
Albert, if
Dimitri,
you
how
form
do
that
you?
habit,
Sorry.
I was just gonna say, if you form that habit, then when you can size up, it'll just be the same old, same old.
Now that I hear it from your soothing voice, bro, that's it. I'm gonna start sizing down. That's it. Because we missed you for the past couple of days. I was actually concerned about you. I was asking about you yesterday.
I'm good, bro. I've been working a lot because of the stupid iPhone launch.
Gotcha.
Ryan, what do you do?
I sell cell phones at Verizon, like a third-party Verizon store.
Sailor Sales?
Yep, cellular sales.
That's where I just retired from after 20 years. I was the general manager for the Alabama market.
Oh hell yeah, dude! I'm in the Cincinnati market.
Cincinnati. Who's your
You
RPs?
know all about it. Joe. What the fuck is his last name? Joe Burns, maybe, or something.
Guys, I'm in puts Friday's expiration. I know the name.
Joe and RC are the two people that they're there. Yeah.
I've heard of Joe Burns. I was thinking it was George Argyris, but I think he's in Wisconsin. Yeah, man, I started in 06. I was selling flip phones for Sailor Sales.
Hell yeah. I made 100 VAPs in the past 2 days, and then $300 in Top Step each day.
Nice.
I'm in 653 calls for a higher low bounce. QQQ is going to bounce. Price target 50 in the 1 minute. Sorry, Dimitri. $0.12 here. Let's see if we flip this or not. This is China wall right now.
I'm just going to keep nibbling. I have Friday's expiration. I'm going to keep nibbling every pop.
Oh, yeah. Here we go.
It was looking like an inverse cup and handle. And look at that. On the 1
I got
minute.
16 cents here. I'm going to take half off. That's price target. Price target hit 50 on the 1 minute. If we punch through it, I'm going to hold runners.
when you're done with this trade, can you please explain why you took this trade when you're
Higher
done? I'm
low.
sorry. I just don't
We got a
understand.
higher low and we bounced right off the 200, and 653 is demand. Look left at pre-market. You see the top of
Uh-huh.
805. We bounced right off at 805. And QQQ was making
Big call,
fresh
Blake.
lows and they started bouncing. QQQ. Look at the 943 candle on QQQ. Big, powerful green candle, QQQ.
Yeah. I'm just trying to follow everything you're saying at the same time.
I'm going to take some off here. I think this is it. I'm all out. 4,100.
It's SPY is pushing the most because IWM and Qs will be red and SPY will still be fucking green.
You just added?
I'm adding in 25 contract increments.
QQQ is looking extremely weak today. We have lower highs, lower lows, QQQ. QQQ just made a fresh low. You should get a fresh
Yeah, I
low
like
here,
this
Dimitri.
reaction.
I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna come.
I'm gonna come. It's my shit, bro.
What did he say?
I don't know. Historically, last time, guys, we did this, we dumped like crazy. I think the last 5 times. Every time pre-market 52-week high happens. This is just pure speculation, though.
I know at least
But-
last time we dumped like right away.
I mean, we waited for like a few minutes, though, right? Yeah. The thing is that the VIX guys made a lower low on the weekly time frame,
VIX looks awful.
and this is break of structure macro for VIX. We're literally at that level.
Put
If you
side's
go on the
heavy right
4-hour
now,
time
too.
frame.
Put side's a little bit heavy.
Mm.
If they flip the 50 with power, I'm chasing calls. I want 650, 420s. You gotta let them go first, though. See if we get rejected here or not. QQQ just got POC. This is kind of dangerous to try. Wait for power.
I wouldn't recommend 0 dates, guys, if you like to hold hopes. I have Friday's expiration.
QQQ's looking vomit mode. SPY looking like they're gonna flip supply and blast off. Fresh low QQQ again. But we got POC. I'm gonna try it. I'll give it to like 653. I'm in 653 calls. I want 654s, like 654.20. Come on, push. Push for me. There we go.
You just broke the slope.
Pushing it, push. I'm pushing it,
I'm
push.
gonna take some off.
I'm
just in
taking
case
also half.
Just in case we get a quick rejection. Trying to let this thing ride out. That was $1.28 to $1.42. I'm still holding 100.
Holy shit, how much did you start with?
200.
Why?
I don't know.
You feeling yourself?
No, it's just this is a tiny little range. It's Seems pretty easy to play. I think we're higher chances we're going to get a bounce because of how much selling pressure QQQ has. 654 is going to be my second price target. Unless this candle just completely vomits out. You know what? I'm going to take some more off. Take another 50 off here. QQQ's really struggling at POC. If they flip POC, they're going to push straight to VWAP, and we're going to get dragged right to 654.20. That's what I want to try to take these runners to.
I'm gonna double at that level, 654.20.
Come on, one more push. What's the ratio? It's pretty even. Thinking we might have a sideways day today at the top.
I mean, VIX is fucking $14. It makes sense.
There goes the Qs. Qs is trying to push through. Let's see if SPY gets dragged up.
Dimitri, just an FYI, bro. At any moment, if you see a serious opportunity on a swing, meaning like buying shares, please let me know so I could get the fuck out of my trade and make my money back somewhere else.
You should have sold SPXS, dude.
I know, but my mentor over here told me to hold them.
Dimitri's not a financial advisor.
Aw, that's fucked.
No, what
He
Norval
sure was
said.
advising me.
I'm still in runners, guys. This is my. I'm still what? I have a $1.24 average. We're at $1.33. If they crack VWAP, I'll just go out break even on my runners.
I personally don't like to hold or like long term anything, Albert. But if I find something for you, I'll let you know.
No, but I don't want to hold anything really long term. I wasn't planning to hold this shit long term. I thought this was going to be like a week.
I'm out.
Oh, buddy.
Oh, buddy.
This is bounce zone here, though.
I'm break even exactly here. There we go, baby. There we go, motherfucker. Drop, 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 drop.
Thank God I got out of that. That's a trap.
Oh, buddy.
Come on, baby. Let's do it.
Come on, baby. Come
Just
on.
vomit.
Come on. Break of structure,
Stay
guys.
on
I'm
the
shaving.
scene.
Break of structure is 652.29.
That'd be a
I'm
good
going to
time to
shave.
buy a call here.
No, not yet. This is a trap.
Sloping support from yesterday, guys. This is sloping support from
Let's see
yesterday.
if they make a
We
fresh
did
low
make
first,
a lower
Albert.
low now, didn't we?
No, we didn't. Not yet. QQQ did.
Oh, wow. Still higher low on the 1 minute time frame.
Why is this considered a trap exactly? Just out of curiosity.
Because they paid the bulls off of 653 and that candle just pretty much took it completely out very fast. So if you were a bull, you're dollar cost averaging here, and survey says they'll probably take the floor and go lower.
Albert, do you realize why I like the bear side now? Because whatever fuckery we were doing for the last 20 minutes, we wiped it down in 2 minutes. You see? That's why I like the bear side, because the delta rips like crazy.
Still a little over 100,000 more puts.
QQQ made a fresh low. SPY's still bouncing off this demand. I think this demand's fake. I wouldn't hit calls here a third time. Even though they've been pretty obvious the last couple days.
I think the market does whatever the fuck it wants, bro.
The market is a game, and the game is to try to take the most amount of money from everybody trading it.
Couldn't have said it better.
I mean, if you think about it, Albert, you're competing against the smartest people in the world. Financial
hell yeah,
managers, like
yeah.
market makers and
Mhm.
shit.
Yep. All these fucking economists and shit.
depending on what racetrack you're trading.
You
But
see, guys? You guys just cost me $300
this is
for
supply.
taking that trade.
I'm not going to touch this until we get out of this range now. So either 653 breaks down and we reject 653, or we head up to 654.20. I'm no longer interested in this range. QQQ's looking weak, sideways bearish. The market's a club and we ain't in it. Yeah. Yeah, we
Who
didn't
wrote
get
that?
invited. We're knocking on the door outside.
Who wrote that? Oh, the
Mark.
market's a club. Mark. That was a good point, Mark.
George Carlin.
The market's a big birthday bash party.
Fucking market didn't give me no money for my birthday.
Yeah, you got
Took
steamrolled
5
for your
stacks from
birthday.
me. Yeah.
It's all right.
Can't tell if they want to go higher or lower, man.
I would wait for them to get out of this
Dimitri,
range.
how do you feel about a 3-week output at 654.20?
It works. It works for me, buddy. This is the best risk to reward if you think about it. Everybody has puts here. Everybody.
So why would that be a good thing if you think majority of the people are shorting here?
Because historically, every time we made a brand new high on the 52-week range, we dump. That's what I have. I have Friday's expiration, guys. I'm green and I'm not selling.
Yeah, I'm just trying to find the high of day today.
Let me look at your
Can't tell
historical.
if it's going to go a little bit higher.
Every time we make a brand new high, we dump.
I don't know, like in May and June when it was crazy bullish, there you can find a few spots where it took a couple weeks to see a pullback from an all-time high or from a new high.
Last Friday
But yeah,
we
for the
did.
last few months, it's been like clockwork.
I mean, if you don't want to do puts, you could do the shares, the SDS shares. You could go buck wild on those.
August 28th. August 28th.
I have 10,000 shares.
August 28th, we made a fresh high in pre-market and we squeezed north all day.
But did it dump within a few days later?
Yeah. 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 The next 3 days.
Yeah, if it'll just get back to the top of this range, I think I'm going to take a 3-week output. Try to sell in the next few days.
I don't know.
No, and BZ, just because I'm in Friday's expiration doesn't mean I'm gonna swing it. I just took it to avoid theta because the VIX is so crushed. They're just gonna be in small range.
Well, the only swings I really take, I think, are super conservative. I'll buy like a few weeks out and still sell. Sometimes same day, but I usually sell within like 72 hours. I just like to have that extra time expiration just to be safe because I'm still a fucking amateur.
I just don't like to be theta cooked. That's why I'm not gonna swing anything. I hate swinging.
Mr. X, I muted your mic earlier. If you want me to turn it off, let me know. Okay, should be working now. Ah, that's all right. No worries, dude.
Thanks.
Yours look bearish, IWM looks bullish, and SPY looks sideways.
Yeah, I'm more interested in waiting to see what they do when they get out of this range. So 653 to
Any news today?
53.60. The news already happened. It was the 8:30 PPI, that crazy big candle that we got at 8:30. Other than that, let's see. There's some yellow folders, nothing really important. So This is a chop.
Morning when
This
it's
is
fucking like this, honestly.
yeah, it's a meat grinder. I would say just wait for them to get out of this range.
Yeah,
QQQs.
no, trust me, bro. I hate getting in a trade when it's like this. I've learned my lesson that I hate being stuck. This is where you get stuck.
QQQ's in a tunnel south. Q's is sloping resistance. I'd say if you see the Q's flip view up, SPY's gonna rip. Shoot. These double espressos aren't doing it for me.
Serious?
Yeah.
You're not sleeping well.
No.
What time do you go to sleep?
I've been sleeping with the dogs, both of the dogs in the bed, and they've been fucking keeping us up.
The dogs are in the bed with you guys?
Yeah.
What dogs you got, Ryan?
Saint Dane, so it's a Saint Bernard and Great Dane mix, and then a rescue, like a lab shepherd mix.
Is the Saint Dane huge?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh yeah.
like
Huge.
160 pounds.
Sheesh.
Ah, dang.
She's
weighs more than me.
she's such a gentle giant though. She's so sweet. She's very, very she's like a big dope.
Man, our
And
dog weighs more than me.
Yeah.
look at that green.
There they go. QQQ's breaking the range. SPY 654.20 price target.
See if Q slices through VWAP.
I'm not gonna short 654.20. That's blue skies, and usually when they go blue skies, they step on the gas. So I'm not gonna participate. I want to see how far they go if they push. If QQQ flips VWAP, they're gonna take off.
IWM's put a new high in. No, we don't put a lot of weight on that, but
I like IWM if everything's moving in one direction. Like if Q's, SPY, and IWM is pushing north, you know.
I think the IWM's the reason SPY is more sideways than the Qs, because IWM's bullish and the Qs have been bearish, and the reason SPY stayed sideways is I think the IWM weight. But no, I'm with you. I don't think there's a lot of weight in it, but I don't know, man. I saw y'all's boy Josh looking at IWM and the ticks a lot, so I keep the ticks and the VIX and IWM up on a different screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is my level, guys. A little bit above it. I think I'm gonna add here. I just added, guys. I'm just gonna keep nibbling.
Careful.
I'm
blue
Purely
skies.
speculating here. There's nothing here. Yeah, I'm purely speculating.
I'm not gonna participate in this because I don't want to get fucking steamrolled if they do push.
Yeah, this
So-
is 100% speculation.
I'd love them to go to like 60, 654.75 and then pull back to 654.20 and then step on the gas again. That'd be an easy call.
Sometimes you just gotta feel it.
768 puts to 592 calls. Puts are getting heavier.
That means that they're gonna probably pop.
Up north. Looks like Q's finding support on VWAP.
Yeah, Q's above VWAP. There you go, MBZ. I just posted a picture.
Look at the ticks, guys. Ticks are dumping, prices going up. Imagine when the ticks go up, they're gonna go north.
We got a
That's a
fucking
big
petting zoo at
motherfucker.
my house.
Honestly, Ryan, I'm a little afraid of dogs. I ain't gonna lie. Big dogs, I'm afraid of them.
You're like Alina.
Who?
Alina.
Oh, Dimitri's wife?
Yeah.
No, but she has a phobia, buddy. Like my Alina has an animal phobia.
Oh, she has a straight up phobia.
Yeah. She has an
Now I'm
animal
not gonna
phobia.
lie, I try to like freeze up next to big dogs, and I try to like don't give off that scared sense because I know they feel it. I just like kind of like freeze up. You know what I'm saying? I don't really move like that. But the little dogs I'm not afraid of. It's just the big dogs, bro. Something
Dude,
about them. I don't know. Maybe when I was a kid.
the little dog's worse than the big dog. She'll fucking bite you up.
Yeah.
The big dog will just lay with you and sleep on you. Oh man, I don't want to short this. This is looking dangerous for a short. Every
This is the
single.
best level to do it.
I know. I
This is the
know.
best level to get it, guys. 2 weeks
Because the
out. This is
trap
the
though,
best
it's too
level.
obvious.
There's no
I'm
other
in
level
it.
here. This is it. This is a whole entire market. This is the high.
Yeah.
I just.
Yeah, this is the best level to do it.
I don't know. I don't want to participate because if they step on the gas, they're gonna go $1.
I'm gonna try it for you, Ryan.
No, I don't like this setup. Even the way these candles are diagonally staking, this is like a breakout. Like there's gonna be a big ass candle north.
It's like a 4-year-old's W.
As long as we're above the 653.88, 653.90 area, we're gonna continue.
Q's got a long way to go to get back to supply.
Yes, they do. Which, what does that tell you if they actually start doing it? They're gonna step on the gas. What's IWM? IWM's cycling bullish.
Psycho.
Higher highs. Psycho. Higher highs and higher lows.
Six hundred
IWM.
15.
Okay, we are put heavy by.
If anybody's buying puts here, I'd say if we do get a pullback, get out of them because we're probably gonna get a rubber band candle breakout.
There it goes.
654.80's pre-market high.
Tracing that wick.
QQQ's
I
pushing.
just added more.
Oh God.
How many contracts are you going to beat you?
I have 175.
That's not
This
that
is
bad.
fun. I don't get it.
I'm only doing 25 increments.
Dying to press the buy button here for put. I don't know why.
No, I'm not gonna. If anything,
Could be a little pullback though.
If anything, wait for them to go to the top of that pre-market wick, 654.80s. Right now, we're trying to validate above pre-market. If we hold above this level here, above pre-market high, we're bullish. If you're looking at my screen. There's no reason to just jump into a put right now. This is blue skies. QQQ didn't even start stepping on the gas yet. Could you imagine what they're going to do when QQQ steps on the gas?
Oh my god. Yeah. That's gonna be a problem. How much higher can this bitch go though? Like, where's all this fucking money coming from?
It can go a lot longer than you can hold. We'll just put it that way.
That's for damn sure.
That's so well said.
It can go for the next 3 days, and you'll get stopped out in 10 minutes.
10 minutes. 10 seconds, bro.
What is that official quote? Market can be irrational longer than you can stay complacent, right? Something like that.
Exactly. Yeah.
Say that again. Market can be irrational.
Big volume move on that last candle. The Q's held it at VWAP.
Solvent. As
We
long as
have
we're
to. We should have
above,
like
as long as we're above this level here. No, never mind. We're breaking it. If they hold
we
this
should have
right here,
cycle.
pre-market high, I'm still bullish.
If it
650.
comes back down to the previous high, do you think that's a good pullback for a call?
We just wicked right off of it. You're talking previous high at 653.80s?
Yeah, 653.87.
No, because we're back into that range and demand's all the way to 653.40. I'm looking at us holding the top of this pre-market, these two mountains from pre-market right here. The 921, top of 921 and top of 835. As long as we're above that and validating above that, it's bullish.
Before 654.22, you mean?
654.
Yeah.
Yeah, 921 candle and 835 candle.
Is anybody holding Apple shorts, guys? Why the fuck did we dump our Apple shorts, Ryan?
I don't
Motherfucker.
know. I'm an idiot that I didn't swing.
Idiot, man.
I bought 200 puts at the high. Like literally top ticked that yesterday.
I had a $200,000 position almost in short shares only. What the fuck?
Norville
Look
asked me
at
to
Apple,
freaking hold
guys.
too.
Look at Apple. Holy shit.
Yep. That's right. We'll do it next year, September 9th. Write it in your
Yo,
calendar.
Samsung.
My dad's
I want to
birthday,
work for
actually,
Samsung,
September
guys.
9th.
You want to what?
I want to work. I want to work for Samsung's social media team. I would do such a good job. Did you see? Did you see, Ryan?
No.
No
We're
way. You didn't
shitting on
see it?
him.
What happened?
You didn't see that shit? That shit was hilarious.
That shit was
Samsung did
hilarious
something?
on Twitter. Twitter, what they wrote.
Yeah, they were trolling Apple basically saying you guys don't have anything new. Like, you know what I mean? Just trolling them. Like it's the same shit over
Here,
and over again. Let
check
us
it out,
know when it's
Ryan.
On Twitter?
Check it out. Check it out. It's on Discord. I posted it last night.
Oh, I'm looking at their Twitter right now.
It's like fucking dark humor, buddy. I love it.
Can't believe this is still relevant. Let us know when it folds. That's funny. Yeah, Samsung has a 200 megapixel camera. 48 megapixels times 3 still doesn't equal 200. Next up, Marquise. He's a very popular tech reviewer on YouTube.
So I've dumped in the beginning of the day. Amazon. Yo, the whole market is dumping except Google, guys. Google is like holding the whole fucking market up. Google is insane.
You're holding an Apple put,
AVGM.
June? Oh yeah. Hold on. Let me
Good
give
job,
you some.
June.
Let me give you some targets. Let's see. Well,
Looks like a double bottom on Apple.
right now, Apple is still making lower high, lower low on the 5 minute. I'd say if we close above VWAP, that's your exit. If they get above VWAP,
I like 226 June.
yeah. But as of right now, where we're sitting, we have a lower high, lower low. VWAP's your exit if they start popping it. If they reject VWAP, stay. How long have you been in
226
it?
is major support. 226.
You swung this, correct? Oh, yeah. What did your contracts do, June? How much percent? Actually, I don't want to know. It's going to hurt my feelings. I freaking top ticked it. My entry was like right at 110, 111. Oh, that's awesome. Until they take out this until they take out this structure on the 5 minute and when they flip VWAP, I'd say you're okay to stay in it. Let's see the sucker work. Higher highs. Right now it's lower highs, lower lows. POC is at 230. VWAP's right above it at supply. Yeah, VWAP's a good sell target if they flip above it. And you'll still be in a lot of profit, so.
You have so much time, June. Why did you go so far out and so out of the money? I don't understand your logic. Why did you do this? You're not squeezing the juice at all, actually. You're probably up 20%, 25%.
January 26th. Oh, 200
Doesn't make
strike.
sense, your contract. Why did you choose these contracts? If you're gonna sell the next day, especially.
She likes that way.
Oh.
Hey,
Okay.
whatever works for you. You're printing right now, so. SPY's got room to 650, 480 is the top of that wick. QQQ's not really trying to push. I don't like anything here. I don't want to step in front of this and just blindly short because we validated the top of pre-market. Is anybody trading right now, or are you guys just waiting? Because we're in vacuum mode. Yeah.
I'm bleeding,
Candles
but
are
yeah.
small, too.
Oh, we know you're bleeding. You bought fucking puts at 653.
I took a 6 put for 20 days out.
I just don't like all-time highs, dude. I hate it. I hate it, hate it, hate it. Look at the freaking VIX. The VIX is just crushed. They step on the gas. They haven't even stepped on the gas yet on QQQ. If you have the appropriate contracts, cool. Try it, but I don't trade that. I trade same days. 99% of the time I trade same days. I took a 2-week output yesterday for Apple, but I sold it in the same day. More so as an insurance policy in case they fucking continue north. Dimitri, maybe your pen is maybe making you not see the market more clearly.
That is possible. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, Dimitri, I've been smoking also for a long time. What I'm saying is you sometimes make emotional decisions is all I'm saying. That's why I don't really like hope before the market. Like before
I
I
mean,
finish.
I've been doing pretty well lately for like the last 4
Yeah,
years.
so yeah, at the same time he's also doing well, so it's like you can't even fucking argue it. So
I
it's
know,
like,
I know.
I don't know.
Fine,
Yeah.
I'm fine.
I wouldn't recommend it for the
He's
average
doing
person
okay.
starting out.
I'm doing okay. Listen,
Measly.
I'm I'm doing pretty good actually.
I know, but imagine if you fine-tuned your entries a little bit better. You'd be doing
I
very,
told you
very
guys,
well.
this is a speculation play today. Today's speculation day.
Coffee and
I think
THC,
we should
poor man's
stop telling
speedball.
Dimitri how to trade, bro. He is fucking
No,
winning
buddy.
after all.
Buddy, this one, whatever I have right now, it's pure speculation. Pure speculation.
I mean, to be fair, he has a Lamborghini parked in his driveway.
Why, Ryan? Why?
Why, Ryan? Why do you tell this?
There we go. Let's see if they trap.
Such a dick. Oh God.
This is pre-market highs. Let's see if they trap through it. This might be a good momentum play here if they break this. I'm in puts, 655 puts. Let's see if we continue or I get trapped.
Price target is the broken sloping resistance trend line, guys, on my screen. A little bit above VWAP should be price target for the put.
QQQ's got to break this demand and then it's go time. Don't trap me here. Oh boy.
No, I think she still has more, man. She has to backtest something.
As long as we stay below this right here, if we get back above this, I'm stopping out. I'm down 9 cents here. Ugh. Fake out.
They probably did that on purpose so everybody jumps in like you did.
Yeah.
Wow, they're sucking up liquidity today as much as they can, even in the beginning of the day.
I just doubled. Oh, God. Look at
They
this
usually
candle.
don't do this at the beginning of the day. That was
Freaking-
a liquidity grab. That was
Yeah.
a dirty candle right there.
Yeah, they broke that floor, 654.20 floor, and they just did the rubber band. They should make a fresh high now. QQQ's back at supply. This is my last hope here. If they flip this, then I'm going to just stop out. I'm down 3,100.
Whoa, that was fast.
I got slipped chasing that candle, and then they hit the reverse gear, and I just doubled at this previous floor, and they continued. So I'm still up. I'm still up on the day. I'm still green. 3,600 on the day.
Do a fresh high though.
As soon as these contracts go to break even, I'm going to scale out of my ad. If they do. QQQ is looking like they're going to try to push north now. A little tick down, I'm going to take some size off. I don't like this hanging out at the top shit. Come on, one push and I'm going to take some size. I'm down 1,100 right here. I need a little push back to like 654.20s. I can get out of my size. I have a feeling they're
Hey,
going to break up.
do you think majority of people swung puts yesterday? That's why they're holding the price up like this? Do you think no retail was participating in this rally from 650 to 654? I'm curious why they're holding price up like this.
I think retail's
They're pretty even.
I think retail is very bullish, to be honest with you.
If they were bullish, they wouldn't be holding price up like this. Seems like everybody swung puts yesterday, that's why.
My thing is, dude, the max pain, like there's, from what I see, it just looks like everybody's clobbered on both sides. Come on, fresh high dump.
Just very
Yeah, fresh high and dump.
Can you imagine they don't even cut rates because the data is signifying a recession?
I think it's like a 99% chance that they're going to cut. Trump would probably
Well, they could
personally
do-
strangle Powell if he doesn't
Cut
cut.
his balls off, bro, if he doesn't fucking cut those rates, bro.
He's been
You
asking
crazy?
him. He's been making fun of him for fucking this whole thing up for the
Years
last
already at this
2
point,
years.
I
Yeah.
think. Even be
I think there's definitely a cut. It's just a matter if it's going to be a quarter or a half point.
It
I
could be
think
an
it's gonna be a
emergency. cut,
quarter.
who knows?
If it's a half point,
Right.
the news might be a bad enough catalyst that it won't matter.
The market already priced all this in my opinion.
That was that Jackson Hole candle.
Look at this. I would stay away from this, guys. This is looking too dangerous. I'm stuck in a put. These candles are 2 cents. I have a $1.26 average. We're at $1.16.
We're at $1.10.
Now we're at $1.10.
$1.12.
He's just pushing out. Time to.
I want to see one.
All the
little pullback.
higher time frames, they don't have any divergences, guys. All the higher time frames.
QQQ's breaking out. I'm gonna stop out of
They
this
could
before
just
they
keep
run.
going.
I'm out.
This is bullish.
I still have profit. I'll re-enter. If this floor breaks, 654.20 breaks, I'll re-enter. But until now, QQQ's making their push, so SPY's got room.
Patel, do you see any divergences in the macro time frames? I don't see anything. Nothing.
POC, everything's stuck up here.
There's 0 divergences. This is wild. They could keep going higher and higher now.
This is demand.
I bet it's at the top of the Bollinger Band, but I don't feel like that means shit.
Oh, I forgot the Bollinger Band. Yeah. Thank you, MBZ. Yeah, that's huge. What are you talking about? In the daily time frame, that's huge. It does mean.
I mean, I just see it push way out before it comes down. I mean, I think it definitely means it comes down, like from a swing perspective.
No, not for indexes. Probably like for regular stocks like Google, Amazon, Apple. It could be overextended for 2 days, 3 days. Way overextended. But the SPY and QQQ, very rarely I see it overextended.
I'm back in 655 puts. I'm just gonna play to this floor. Hopefully, get my loss back.
Oh yeah, I forgot the Bollinger Bands.
What a disgusting candles these are. I have a $1.16 average.
Cash. Not fucking with this.
I want them to break the 654.20 area and actually try to push. QQQ's looking bullish though. That's my concern. So retest the 654.20. I'll probably sell everything.
Look at the conditions of the clouds. Very bullish.
Oh yeah,
Super
here we
bullish.
go. I'm about to get my loss back.
You just hit a big support zone. Or resistance zone.
The put side, the put contracts are not paying today. I noticed. There we go. Come on. Give me a push. Give me a push, Joyce. I gotta take some size off here. I'm way too heavy. I'm back down to 100 puts. This is bounce zone, price target hit. Anything past this is a gamble. This is previous demand. This is the top of pre-market that we validated. I'm hoping they slice it. I'd like to see the 50 on the 1 minute touch.
Bearish volume coming in, Ryan. Look at the bearish volume with the squeeze now. Bearish volume coming
Finally,
in.
but look at the conditions. It's going to take some time. There's going to be a.
I'm sorry for asking a stupid question
gross
again,
bounce.
but how come POC is not popping up?
POC
It's
is
the most
at,
amount of
What?
transactions
That's
is done over there.
POC is at
Oh, so we still haven't-
654.36.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's the most amount of transactions.
Sometimes you got to zoom out, Albert, for POC to refresh. You have
I'm
to,
looking at Dimitri's chart.
Mine's at 654.36. And my POC on QQQ is at 582.97. Here we go.
Bearish volume coming
Yeah,
in.
I see that.
UEP is price target.
All
Come on,
right,
VWAP.
I just got my loss back. I'm gonna stay in this for a minute.
Yep.
See if we take the 50 out.
It's
If we
going
take
fucking low at day.
they take this out, I want 653.80s.
There we go, MBZ. Finally.
Everybody's so
Get your
bearish.
true
I
colors
love it.
out.
Well, no, I'm just in a swing. I'm not in anything, day trade. So I would love it. I'd love to get rid of this motherfucker same
Oh,
day.
buddy, if they go to low a day, it's gonna be party, because they could trap all the bulls from here. But they have to
MBZ,
do
that
it
was
fast.
hilarious.
They're not doing it.
645's price target.
They're not doing it fast.
I love it.
They gotta go fast.
Hey, that bitch did bounce off the top of that Bollinger Band, and it's
I'm gonna take
headed
50
straight for
more
V1.
off.
IWM has hit the same spot 5 times and gone down, and they're headed down right now too.
I just sold 50. I'm just sitting in 50 now at $1.16. We're at $1.41.
She should test the broken trend line.
Oh, buddy, I want them to test the low a day.
A little bit below VWAP, guys, is price target. A little bit below VWAP.
They gotta go fast if they want to trap bulls, though. They're not going fast.
Use is going up, SPY's going down.
Yeah, I'm out. I'm taking it. Can't be greedy. I have a ton of profit. $1.16 to $1.39. QQQ's nice big bounce. Now I'd like to see a lower
Whatever
higher.
they're,
I'd like
whatever
to see them
they're
do a
doing, they're
rejection.
giving zero profit to both sides.
Yeah.
They're so smart.
I'd like to see them go back up to POC and do a freaking rejection lower high there, and I'll get back inputs. I want them to pop it back up first. I can get back in. I don't want to buy here. Too dangerous to buy here.
That is a bearish engulfing candle on the 5-minute time frame. Completely bearish as fuck on the 5-minute time frame.
Give me one little pop first so I can jump back on. I have to get my loss back on those last 2 trades, so now I'm back to where I was. I don't want to chase puts here. This is bounce zone. Look, that's a pretty big red gusher, Norville.
Yeah, that's my price target. A little bit below VWAP.
Look at Q's though.
Is that POC? Yeah.
QQQ's got higher lows and higher highs. 654.40s, I want to see a rejection. Either that or 654.20 to 654.40. I might look for another put.
MSTR calls is coming in, guys. $1 million.
Did you see the dark pool going crazy last night?
Well, now you know why. Look
Yeah.
where we are.
I know.
These fucking assholes, they always know everything. They control the whole market.
I'm not participating in this. I'm waiting for them to do a bounce first. I feel like I'm going to miss the party, though.
There we
I feel
go,
like they-
guys. Price target about to hit, baby.
Damn.
A little bit below. There you go, guys. Price target hit. Price target hit, guys.
I missed the party.
Price target hit. I'll delete this now. I'm still holding, guys. I did not shave. I am down $700. They aren't stopping till they flush out LLD.
QQQ's still looking bullish.
I want them to go to 639, honestly.
Whoa.
Fuck yes. We'll take that. I feel like 652.90 though is realistic because that's the mountain before the big candle.
652.90. Where is that?
See in pre-market that was like the high
Oh,
before
yeah,
the
the low
news.
of day. Yeah, the low of day. Yeah. It's break of structure area.
QQQ still holding. I got 653 calls on my screen. I'm not in yet. I want to see what they do at the 200 on the 1 minute.
Right at VWAP.
Like these in bear territory finally. Let's get it done.
Oh, I'm jumping in. I'm in 653 calls. Let's see. Let's see if I get faked out again. If we close below this previous candle, I'm out. QQQ still looking like they want to push through supply, man.
Wow.
That's 10 cents. I'm going to take some off.
Wow.
Look at the Qs, dude. QQQ has zero weakness. If they flip this,
This is
if they flip this
resistance.
supply, they're gonna rock it. I'm down to 100. Holding 100.
Dollar be down to 100.
$1.32 average. I'm hitting these with 250 MBZ because the contracts are barely moving, and I can just a couple cents I can take 150 off and still get paid pretty well.
Yeah.
It just so I'm not forcing a longer move.
Yeah, these
Smart.
candles aren't huge.
It's like right now I'm only up $200. If they take out this previous candle, I'm out. Looks like they're gonna do it. I'm out.
I get a bounce on VWAP for Qs though still.
I'm gonna try it again at the 200. 653.40s. Until QQQ busts through 582.50, I'm still interested in calls. Anything under 653, I'm not interested in calls. They break view up. QQQ is just looking like they're going to slice through supply.
Did I take profits this time, Ryan?
Are you green?
I am.
I'd say the 200 is going to be bounce zone number 1, and then 653 bounce zone number 2 if they slice, and then anything below that you might as well just hold. I don't like QQQ. QQQ is still in a bullish structure. They're not breaking down. SPY's breaking down. QQQ's holding. So if I see QQQ poke through this 583.20 area, I'm jumping back in calls.
I just want to see some drama.
I don't think we're gonna get it, dude. The VIX is so crushed. They're just trying to clap everybody. Look left.
It's gonna
Look
be a
where we
slow
opened.
grind.
We're back to where we opened today. There you go, Dimitri.
Actually, you are wrong. QQQ is in a bearish structure. QQQ broke structure as of 9:30 a.m. today.
I don't care about that candle. I'm talking about the last hour.
No,
We've
but
been making
QQQ is in a bearish structure, Ryan.
no.
The higher low was at 9 a.m. The higher low,
I'm
and
not
then at
looking
9:30
pre-market.
it spiked.
That's not how I chart. You know that. I'm looking at the last fucking 10 cycles since open. We're
But
holding above.
QQQ is in a bearish structure.
We're holding above 528.50s. I'm bullish. on QQQ.
Actually.
You fucking sure about that?
I am
All right,
sure
2
about
steps left.
that.
Speed up.
I'm back in calls. 653 calls. Watch when QQQ breaks 528.30. They're gonna fucking rocket ship this thing.
528.30 or what? 583.30.
Or yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah.
POC right here. View up.
Well, VIX is at resistance here. Yeah, VIX is strong resistance here. This is do or die for VIX, guys. If VIX breaks this, we're going to the other zone of $15.
QQQ power coming in. I'm staying in my calls full size. I'm in 250. I want the 50 on the 1 minute to touch. That's where I'm going to take 150 off. If we get there.
And BZ, when did you get your long dated puts?
Pretty much at the top, pretty close to the top.
Nice. High
Five,
size, heavy size.
No, I mean I did $2,500. I usually trade with 5,000, so I'm not good at swinging, man. I'm too emotional. I'll sell that shit.
How did you lose so much money yesterday? Then that's why I'm wondering if you're.
Dude,
sizing in
yesterday
so low.
I was in. Well, no, yesterday I was in 50 contracts, and then it went against me, and I sized up to 100, and then it steamrolled me. And then the next trade, I accidentally clicked it on 100 contracts. I didn't change it back to 50, and then I got steamrolled again.
Makes
So
sense.
yeah, I doubled my position and got crushed twice. I'm up today. I'm at 1,600 on the day.
Nice. Oh, POC's right here. I want to push to the 50 on the 1 minute. I'm going to take 150 contracts off. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. QQQ supply. If QQQ pokes through this supply, buddy, they're taking off. Oh, yeah.
Damn it.
Price
I
target
just flipped
hit.
red again.
That's
What the
4,300.
fuck?
I'm selling 150. That's price target number 1.
Nice trade.
Price target number 2 is if we get above 654 and SPY or QQQ breaks this supply here. If QQQ pokes through this supply, I'm staying. MACD's curling.
Filling up the gas.
Oh, buddy, they can have a nasty candle north right now if they do it.
Filling up the gas.
Because QQQ's in a bearish structure.
So you admit that they're on a
No,
bearish structure.
I'm fucking around. If they break out of 583.30, dude, they're gonna step on the gas and there's empty. There's nothing there to pre-market high.
Oh.
I got a $1.24 average. We're at $1.38. Let's get it done, Joyce.
You think if someone waited, well, if I waited for it to close above, the Qs to close above that, you think that's a bad chase?
Yeah, because they can put it a nasty wick. They've been doing fake outs all day. So they could break out of this supply range right here and put a wick and just go straight back to VWAP. So I think you're better off trying to catch it. You're better off trying to catch it from demand. That's why I got in closer to the 200 versus chasing this. My first price target is right here. This is supply. And then my runners are for if we do break out of this range and take off for a breakout. Your risk to reward if you chase it from here is back to the 200.
There.
They should go. Looks like they're going to push.
It's 15-minute candles close to flipping. I'll flip if it goes.
Looks like they're going to push.
Yeah. I like the 15 candle in 15 seconds. Come on. Flip red, baby. Keep being red. I like the way. Yeah. We could just stay in this range all fucking day, honestly. This is very boring.
I have my stop set, and I'm just going to let this fucking thing work. I'll risk like $800 on this. Actually, you know what? I'm going to drag my stop down a little bit more.
Dancing on POC.
I'm going to put my stop just below the 200.
200. Just want one fucking good trade, honestly. I'm done.
It's very hard to trade when the VIX is so low, Albert. Minus
Yeah, I
under,
know, I know.
Under
I-
$15 is disgusting.
I've been paying attention to that.
Yeah.
IWM's back at pretty much low of day.
QQQ is still flirting with this supply, dude. They're cooking something. They got continuous squeeze. MACD's bullish. We got POC right here.
Chris, is that question for me or for Ryan?
What is it? Do you use one indicator for all your averages? No, I have separate indicators. I have the 200, the 21, the 50 in VWAP. They're all separate.
Oh.
I think they make an indicator that's got all the EMAs in one indicator, but I never messed around with it. If that's what you're
Yeah, my
referring
answer
to.
is the same as his. It's all separate, yeah.
What does it mean when all the
There they go. There goes Q's.
the Bollinger Bands, they get closer and closer to one another?
There they go.
Contraction.
Let's see if this is a
Huh?
continuation or not. QQQ just poked through supply. Should be a
Wow.
nice big push. Let's see if they get continuation or if it's a trap.
Keep flipping red to green and then fucking red again. Ridiculous.
Could be a bear stop loss hunt.
QQQ's above that supply now. There's nothing on Q's. Seems
I'm
very
gonna do
trappy.
something crazy. I'm gonna do something crazy right now. If we break VWAP.
That looks like a trap.
Boom, 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 boom. This is a trap, guys. There you go. I just added. This is a trap, guys. In my opinion, this is a trap.
Trap. Reverse trap, baby.
No, motherfucker.
Avicii, I love you, bro.
It's a
You made
reverse.
2025 much more fun for me, let me tell you.
It's a
It
reverse.
looks, I mean, whatever MBZ said, it could be a stop loss candle. And look at the Qs. It's back to resistance. That's what I
No,
was
they're-
looking
I mean, it makes
QQQ's
sense. It
above.
makes it,
QQQ's
but
above
it's got to
supply.
start POC.
I only added 25 contracts. I'm good.
QQQ's above supply. That's them reverse traps.
I have an even number of contracts now.
They got me today when I tried chasing a put at 1018.
He just keeps moving over that tunnel.
If you guys are green, I would say shut it down.
You know, the biggest lesson of adding guys is never start balls deep. That's what I mean. Like, a lot of people, they start with like fucking a position with 100% of their account size. They can't add. Should never do that.
Looks like the day's
Always have
done.
enough gunpowder. Have
Personally,
gunpowder to add forever.
personally, I feel like the day's done, and we're gonna just sideways this out. They're beating everybody up. I still have 3 cents of profit here on 100 contracts. I'll give it to the 200. QQQ's still above this supply, trying to push. I don't know what the fuck they're doing. We didn't get continuation when they tried to break out, so maybe there was a fake out. Breakout, fake out.
We did a dollar. It's not bad actually. $1.84 range.
Look
Not
where
bad.
we opened. Look where we are.
I mean, from the daily expected move, we are a little bit above it.
I'm break even here. The 200 breaks
There
out.
we go. There we go, baby.
QQQ,
Back to green.
QQQ's back to POC. Bounce zone.
Hey, I'm in, guys. 390.
Are you
Just
in?
Give me 400 and I'll shut it down. I'll shut it down. Give me 400. Oh, that's it. 425. Slip me at 425. Can you believe that shit? I wasn't even being greedy. I just said give me 400 and they gave me 425 when I sold.
I'm still sitting in these calls.
Okay, guys.
Until the 200
We'll
breaks.
shut it down.
Good job,
I
Albert.
literally caught the very bottom of that candle, the Reddit. I got in calls, rode it all the way up, sold, and that's it. I
Good
think
job.
that was the best move for me for the day.
Well, you got $425 off of one candle?
No, I'm fucking with you. No, I was up like 325, so it gave me $100 basically. That bro, I'm playing with 10
Oh, okay.
contracts.
I was gonna say, what did you size up? 200 contracts?
Yeah, nah. Actually, I would be up way more if I was at 200 contracts on that move. No?
Yeah,
I
obviously.
mean, I thought one candle was 425. That's why. So 2 cents in one
Oh
candle, it makes
no.
sense.
Oh no. Yeah, no. I was just looking at the number. I wasn't happy.
If
with
the
just
200
$300.
breaks, I'm stopping out of these calls.
Oh, you have your macro sloping support under the 200.
I don't care. I'm still very green on the
The
day.
fucking daunting task to go down today. lot
QQQ
of
is
support.
just compressing diagonally north. I don't understand. QQQ's compressing north. If QQQ breaks VWAP, then SPY's going to break down. Looks like they're going to do it right here.
I am very green. I'm just being greedy right now. I want my break of structure level. Low of day is today, break of structure, guys. I'm gonna sell half.
I just
Been
added.
in one trade for an hour and a half already.
I just added back to my position. I want to pop the POC, and then I'm going to go all out. If they do it. This candle flips red, then I sell. Give me POC. POC is for me. QQQ's rolling over. Bears don't look like they have any strength to really push. And bulls don't have the legs.
Oh, Ryan G. I would love that, buddy. The deep south.
POC just popped in on QQQ.
This is macro sloping support, guys, from yesterday. If this breaks, it's party time. My orange line.
Damn, bro.
They've
Down
been doing fake
4,300
outs though. They've been doing fake outs, so I wouldn't chase this.
Let's go, baby. Break
QQQ's
this.
sitting right
If
on
they break
VWAP.
this, it's party time.
I'm not spooked out yet. I want them to do one more bounce. QQQ's just wicked off a VWAP. I'm back to full size.
Take her down, baby.
I just want them to go touch POC and then I'm going all out.
Take her down.
Icky Down. I love that movie.
There we
Rounders?
go. There we go. One little push and then I'm all out. I'm back to break even here. Green. QQQ's bounced right off a VWAP. I want POC. I just sold 150, going back to 100.
The sloping support worked again, guys. Damn it, this is strong channel.
This is price target here. I'm gonna sell. I'm all out. I'm all cash. 10,300.
Nice.
34 fills.
Super strong channel, guys.
Talk about
I know you see
overtrading.
what I see.
Yeah,
Super
13
strong
fills.
channel, man.
13 fills a lot.
34 fills.
No, I'm saying 13. I have 13.
No, I mean, are you dollar cost averaging in and out?
No. I didn't do that once today.
So you took, well, you must have, because if you went 6 in and 6 out, that's 12 fills. You know what I'm saying?
No, I definitely didn't dollar cost average today because I would have remembered that. I was in and out of trades, like quick trades, like, you know.
Did you buy something twice or sell something twice?
I accidentally pressed the sell button twice, but it didn't do anything.
If you have 13 fills,
You know,
it
like
did.
when you click, huh?
If you had 13 fills, it did, because if you only had 6 buys and 6 sells, that's 12. You understand?
Right. Also, then maybe that extra click that they, I don't know, they must have registered that.
But no, that's not over trading. 6 trades.
By the way, guys, what day are you guys planning to go to the casino?
I have no idea yet. I got a wedding. We're gonna go to Vermont
When's your wedding?
Saturday.
It's on Saturday. At night? Morning? During the day?
It's pretty much the whole entire day.
Oh, shit.
They're doing the church thing in the morning, and then we're going to the party at the marina.
Gotcha.
This channel needs a fucking break. If this channel breaks, guys, it's party time.
I'm shutting my broker off.
Guys, I don't know if you know, Ryan said that he's giving the momentum class live only for the people that show up in the tri-state area. He said that's the only thing he can't do it on record because it's too valuable. Talk about scarcity and urgency.
Only in the tri-state area. No, I'll
I
post
couldn't
it
say
soon.
New York because I know you're in freaking Connecticut. You're gonna be in Connecticut, right?
Yeah.
I heard Ryan and Dimitri were going to rent a private jet and just pick us all up at our hometowns.
That'd
You
be
know
the
what?
day.
I heard that too.
Yeah,
That'd be the
right, buddy. I'm so cheap. I still feel a regular.
Yo, straight up, yo, you guys are the cheapest traders I know.
Buddy, as much as money as I make, buddy, I'm cheaper than anything. You crazy?
I don't know. I think I got you beat.
Buddy, I don't spend
No,
any
of
money
course
these
you
days.
do, bro. Don't forget, Dimitri's Baharian at heart, bro.
No,
I don't
I'm
know if
saying I think I got him
broke
beat with
out.
cheapness.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I know.
Except
Because
Thank
for
you,
us
bro.
Bahari, we tend to be a little
except for like
flashy, you know what I'm
except for
saying?
like Amazon. Amazon's my weakness, dude. Dimitri's always making fun of me because I just buy random shit from.
I'm gonna
Remember
start
the
snapping you. I'm gonna start doing
You know
Snapchat
what?
of how many packages I get a day. You don't understand how much Amazon I get a day.
you remember those
You know what?
glasses that you're making fun of me? Those 90-degree. You ever
Yeah.
see those, Albert?
What?
The 90-degree glasses.
90-degree glasses? What are they?
They're 90-degree glasses.
90-degree glasses? No, I
You
don't.
could sit down, face the wall, and still look at the TV. Face the ceiling and look at the TV. That's how the glasses are. They're inverted.
Oh, really?
The
Yeah.
lens is like a
Yeah,
90
look this
degree
up.
lens. So if you look at the
90,
ceiling, you're still looking at the TV. So
90-degree glasses? Are you serious, bro? You bought
it,
these?
it, it's
You
a
need a
90
bezel.
degree prism. It's a 90-degree prism, Albert. So when you're actually looking at the ceiling, you're actually looking at the right side. The light refracts the other opposite spectrum. You understand?
Interesting. Yeah, why would
You
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 buy
made
this? I
that
don't get
sound
it.
so professional. I have no idea what you're just saying.
I mean, me and Albert are in the same field. That's why I
No, no, no,
told you.
I understand exactly what he said. But my question is, why the fuck did you buy this? For what purpose?
I have no idea. It's a good question.
Ryan, you want me to get you the Ray-Ban Metas?
Uh, I don't have a Google phone though.
Fuck, you don't need a Google phone. You need a Apple phone or
Don't you need
I'm
a
talking about
Meta
Google
phone,
phone.
like
What
a
does
Google
it do
phone,
anything?
for them to work?
No, absolutely not. You could have an Android or an Apple phone. It doesn't matter. Compatible. It works through the app, MetaView app.
Oh, so the glasses have their own app.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. So every time you take pictures, it all basically goes onto your phone. It like syncs.
That's
You know
pretty
what I
cool.
mean?
Yeah, give me a price.
It's pretty dope, honestly.
How much could you get them for? Your price?
You, for you, I was gonna give it to you at free 99 as a gift.
No, I don't need a gift. I
Why
want you to
not,
make
bro?
money. How about this? I'll make you the cost of the glasses in a trade.
What do you mean? You already did many times, many days.
I feel
What the
funny
fuck,
taking
if
gifts.
anything, I owe you money, man.
No. I support local businesses. You got them on your website?
So to be complete, no, I don't. The reason why is because the competition is really stiff with that. So they have it at like 300, 329, depending on which one you get. Some of them are 400, 479 or whatever. But the cost for us to get them, those fuckers, bro, they charge us a lot of money for it. So we barely make any money. We don't even make times two on it.
Is that
Ray-Ban is
the
the worst pair of glasses to make profit margin. Yeah.
is what's
No,
the
no,
what's the
not
average like margin for glasses?
Oh,
so, bro.
2x?
thousands of
Regular
percent.
glasses, bro, we make a
Thousands of
killing.
percent.
No,
Thousands
no,
of percent.
I'm not talking. I'm
About
not talking
1,000.
prescription. I'm just talking like sunglasses that you can
Oh,
throw in
oh,
your.
okay. So it's about like let's say on average, like let's say 2.3 to 2.5, let's say. But that's the retail price what they want us to do. But
Uh-huh.
when we get the shit, we do that shit like times three, times four. So that way we have room for a discount to make you feel like you got a good deal
Yeah,
when it's in store.
yeah,
Well, that's because you're in the hood. Everybody's retarded.
Right. So like let's say for instance, like let's say a Ray-Ban frame, it goes for $180, right? On the website. A regular Ray-Ban frame, right? I would start it at like 369. So then that way I'll give you your discount with your insurance. But that's just the name of the game, bro. This is what all retail shops do. Like because or else it's not sustainable. It's not like we're having fucking lines outside the door waiting,
Fucking
you know what I mean?
ridiculous,
Like
Albert.
what?
I could picture somebody in the store and you're selling them the Ray-Ban Metas and he's like, I saw these online for 250. You're like, no, 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 these are the 2.0s. They're 999, but I'll give them to you for 350 today.
Albert,
No,
do
no,
you
no,
have
no,
a
I don't
sign
do that.
saying going out of
Ryan,
business also?
Ryan, I swear to God, I don't do that. You know what I tell them? So I have it up in my store for $4.99.
Woo! Let's go,
Excuse
baby.
me.
We just broke the channel, guys. We just broke the channel.
You sell them for
Excuse us,
$4.99?
Okay, so I sell them for $4.99, right? So I tell them straight up, well, how come they're cheaper online? I tell them straight up, it's hard for us to get them. It's really supply and demand. It takes me about a month just to get my order in, over a month sometimes. So a lot of people that are shopping in store, they're idiots because they're not even checking online. They just think that everything, whatever the store is selling, is Bible. So
Right.
usually my meta sales with the lenses and everything, it usually comes out on average about $1,000 a sale. So I don't even sell the frame by itself because it doesn't make sense for me. Like it just doesn't make sense. I make like $120 if I was to just sell the frame by itself.
Meaning like there's no prescription in it?
Yeah, exactly. The money is really in the prescription, just so you know, because the secret of the game is the lenses are really cheap for us.
That
Like,
makes sense.
really cheap.
Yo, Albert, you're giving your whole business sauce, honestly. I mean, I haven't touched a pair of glasses since a year and a half already, but you should not be telling this to people.
Why
Why?
not,
Dude,
bro?
I just started an optometry LLC on LegalZoom, man. Thank you.
Bro,
I've been looking.
That's
There's still a
hilarious.
lot to learn, believe me. And there's still a lot to know in this business.
But you still have to be a licensed optometrist, right?
What?
To
To
own
do
a store?
eye exams, yeah.
Yeah.
No, not in New York, you don't.
To make prescription?
To bill insurances, you need to be licensed, correct. But to own a
Yes.
store, you do not. A Joe Schmo from a
That's
pizza
only
store.
in
a
New
homeless-
York, but that's
All
only
right,
in New
MBZ,
York.
set it up, buddy.
No, only in New York it's not as strict. In other states, they give you a very hard time where you need to be licensed, you need to be this, you need to be that. It's a bitch. In New York, it's like a free for all. You could be a fucking bum off the street. You got money, open up a store.
This is the best business, guys. Master this, master the charts. We have zero liability, we have zero payroll, we have zero anything, guys. This is the best business that we're doing.
Going on LegalZoom.
Trust me, guys.
BZ's bifocals coming this fall.
Guys, if you want to learn the business, there's no secret. Just follow me at Eyeglass Guru. That's it. You guys are good. I give
What's your
away all the
biggest store,
stuff
bro?
over there.
I'm gonna throw 3 of them
Yo,
right
guys, you
around
guys
you.
want to tell you something hilarious? So I made a video about how you guys are getting ripped off in these local eyeglass shops. Really, I'm talking about somewhat of myself as well, right? So my employees are like, yo, what the fuck, Albert, why would you do this? You know, now nobody's gonna buy from us because you're telling them all the secrets. I was like, just watch. Those same people that got ripped off came into my store just to pay a little bit less than what they paid for in another store, which is technically the same shit. With
Yeah.
that video, do you see how the world works? It's just amazing. It's just you got to be the first one to sound like you're the most honest person out there. You know what I mean?
There's
a lot
probably
of
people
crazy
that don't
shit.
want to do mail-in refunds, man. Like, there's certain shit that people still prefer a brick and mortar over online.
Oh yeah, no,
Dimitri,
no,
what did
definitely
he
has-
say in Zohan? Or is like, what's the name? He's like, oh, you're going out of business. He's like, no, that's the name of my store, going out of business.
That's what I meant as a joke. That's how Albert's store is named.
Exactly. Yes. That's how bro. I'm telling you, the shit that I did in the last 10 years, the marketing campaigns. I'm telling you, bro, it's fucking hilarious. It was a lot of them were genius in a way. I'm telling you, if I broke it down.
It's psychology, dude. I used to do that when I was
Yeah.
selling cars. If I had somebody come and look at my car, if I was selling it like private sale, I would have somebody else call me while I was sitting with the guy and be like, oh yeah, I could show it to you later after this guy's done looking at it. 90% of the time they put a deposit or they try to buy it there on the spot.
Right.
Can we just fucking dump? Guys, we broke the channel. We're supposed to test low of day. What are they doing?
This market's just moving in molasses mode. Look at QQQ.
We broke the channel. We're supposed to go down. Let's fucking go down.
We need the Qs to
record,
slice
yeah.
VWAP. It bounced off last time we broke that channel.
Correct.
If the Qs can get below 582.74, it's gonna be fucking dope.
Correct.
But it's hitting slope and support. You see that perfect sloping line on Qs
Yeah,
for resistance?
yeah, it's still. I'm bullish on Qs right now still. Unless we got to get below 582.50 honestly on QQQ. There they go.
Oh yeah, baby. Let's fucking go.
Nice.
Still buyers here.
Boom. Guys, I just sold half.
There's
I'm
still
holding.
buyers.
I'm holding 100 contracts. That was a beautiful sell.
Fix hit a new
I feel
high.
like we're gonna go lower.
There's still
Daily
buyers
high.
on the Qs though, man. I don't know. Something's cooking.
You smell rock.
Be
Let's
a
go,
stop
Norville.
loss hunt on the bulls.
Speaking of
go.
which, you guys seen how the rock got skinny?
What got skinny?
Fucking the rock. How
The
he
Rock?
lost all that weight.
We
Rock.
stopped taking steroids.
I guess that motherfucker looked like he lost at least like fucking 80 pounds or 100 pounds or some shit. He looks a lot thinner.
Oh. Guys, they might break VWAP now and shake out all the bears. So be very prepared for that because they like to do shake, shake, shake. So if VWAP does break, all the bears are going to exit, all the bulls are going to enter, and then they might go lower. So watch out for that. I'm going to add more puts if VWAP breaks. I'm holding runners. But technically, we're supposed to touch the floor because the channel did break.
They're doing chop, chop, chop on QQQ. They're not going anywhere.
Oh, yeah.
QQQ is not participating in this for some reason. I don't know why.
Well, if this sloping resistance on Q stays, it's gonna fucking wedge real tight in a second. You see how it's like bouncing off VWAP, but then hitting that sloping resistance and coming right back down.
Yeah.
But I don't know if that means it goes north or south. It just looks like it's tightening.
For whatever reason, bulls keep defending VWAP on QQQ, so I would say double bottoms in play here on SPY to go long, as long as VWAP holds QQQ. But conditions are bearish.
What's previous close? Previous close is 650 on SPY, 580 on Q.
Ryan, you're done?
Yeah, my broker is off. I'm over 10,000 today.
Nice. Holy shit. How many trades did you have?
I don't know.
36.
34 fills with a bunch of fucking dollar cost average. I don't know, maybe 8 or 9 trades.
Good job. This is me right now.
That shit's off. What is this position? The $50 position?
SDS.
Oh.
It's short. It's a
Yeah,
short.
it's shares.
It's a SPY leverage short for shares.
I'd say calls would work here, guys, and your risk is if we break 653.
I'm gonna add, guys. I do believe they're gonna break VWAP just to do shake, shake, shake. That's what these fuckers do. So I'm patiently waiting.
Doctor.
Technically, they only did one trade today. Just kept adding like 6 times on that one trade. They might also do rejection at POC. This POC is with the 200 and sloping resistance. Let's see. There's a lot of resistance, guys, at POC. I just realized. The macro channel, the
Is
intraday
June still on
channel.
here? June, are
A
you
lot
on
of
here?
resistance.
Are you still holding Apple? This looks like the floor potential on Apple. I wouldn't hold anything past 227. If they slice 227, congratulations, that's a home run. But this is bounce zone here on Apple.
Oh, Norval, I love extra screen room also, buddy. I got 2 of these Samsung G9s back to back on top of each other.
Dude, look at UNH, man. Oh, wow. UNH made it all the way to 351.
Screen is the best, man. And I trade on my laptop. I got 4 screens on just charts.
Oh, you just reminded me. I need to get monitors. I need to order monitors
best.
for this week.
You want more monitor for yourself?
No, I'm going on vacation on Friday, so I'm gonna Amazon order some monitors on Amazon and then return them.
Do you use those little foldable monitors when you like travel?
I mean, they're good.
Like the
They're
two-
good for being in a pinch, but I need like a lot of screen real
Legit.
estate because I do the OBS, like the streaming software for the live, and then I want my brokerage on one screen, I want my charts on another screen, I want my Discord on another screen. So
I just wondered if those like hold up, like if they're fried.
they're cool. The one that I would buy this. So you need. Do you run a Mac?
No.
Who's that talking?
MBZ.
I have one MBZ. I got it off Amazon for like $100. I use it when I go to my father-in-law's house.
Is it pretty sturdy?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's the brightness that's an issue. You need to find one that has a good brightness. I like this style.
Let's get it done, guys. Let's get it done. Low of day, I'm selling everything, guys. Low of day is break of structure. We're going to have a big bounce at low of day.
So you can run 2 of these. So you can essentially have 5 monitors, one on each side, but you need a display link for a Mac if you're running a Mac.
That's pretty much what mine's like, except does that one fold open into 2 screens?
Yeah, it's nice.
That's pretty
I've
sick.
seen the 3-screen foldable ones too, where they have one like above and one on each side.
MBZ, you taking
Yeah.
profits here or no?
No, I'm waiting on cues to push past VWAP. It keeps bouncing. But mine's
Okay.
3 weeks out, man. Don't you think like the next 2 or 3 days we're gonna have a dump fest after hitting all-time highs?
I don't want to think like that. That's the issue. I have like $5,000. That's what I like to think. I like to think that I have enough money to feed my kids today.
QQQ is going to break VWAP.
Yeah.
They're going to go south fast.
Go.
There they go.
Nice.
Boom, boom, boom. I'm all out, guys.
Please don't bounce.
QQQ
Beautiful.
finally broke QQQ. 652.30s.
Dun, 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 dun.
652.30.
Price target hit, guys. This is break of structure.
652.30s.
So hold a little longer.
I would definitely take some
buddy,
profits
if they
as
break
this
this.
bounce. 652.30.
Yeah, take some profits here, guys. Take some profits here.
Norville, did you catch that?
He took his at that order block that we were looking at.
Oh, yeah.
I'm still holding short.
Only holding SDS shares, guys. That's it. Only holding SDS.
How many shares do you have of that? $76,000. $76,000 worth. You're only up $100.
10,000 shares. They're cheap. They're like $15 a pop.
All right, I sold. I felt like it was gonna go lower, but I'm kind of a pussy.
This is bounce zone on
But that
QQQ.
BP in effect is wrong because that I have much more in shares, and I don't know what that BP effect means.
I don't know.
So, Dimitri, if I'm swinging and I know the most I'm going to go is 48 to 72 hours, right? Like, should that always just be a 2-week put, in your opinion? Like, I always give myself this insurance policy that I'll never use, even if I take a loss. So, what
If
should
you're
be my thing?
swinging, if you're swinging, it depends. What time frame are you looking at? If you're looking at the 30 minutes, I would give yourself a week. If you're looking at the 15 minutes, I would give yourself 3 to 4 days. If you're looking at the hour, I would give yourself 2 weeks. What time frame are you looking for?
An hour. Usually I'm looking at the hour.
Yeah. So give yourself 2 weeks then. Correct.
Oh, if QQQ breaks this demand, they're going to flush this out. 652.30s is next.
Yeah, I think it's actually going to go to pre-market.
I personally think MBZ we should test strong demand, which is at 639. But I don't know when it's gonna happen. It's just pure speculation.
Are you staying on, Dimitri?
I'm done trading. I'm super happy, man. I'm about to have a quarter this week. The next 2 weeks.
Good job. I'll be
Buddy,
right back if
this
you're
is
staying
gonna
on.
do-
I'm gonna go grab a monster.
Let's
Record
fucking
2
go,
weeks, buddy.
Dimitri.
Record 2 weeks, guys. It's stupid.
I'm gonna bounce, guys. Thank you very much. I will post my earnings because I know that's what we gotta do.
Later, bro. Thanks for letting me know I got ripped off on my glasses.
No, bro, if you don't want to get ripped off, right? If you don't want to get ripped off, all you gotta do is go to changeeyewear.com. That's it. And those prices are definitely the fair prices, believe me.
To tell you the truth, Ryan G, if you don't want to get ripped off, I've been in the industry for 8 years. I had 3 practices. Costco. Every time somebody brings me a receipt from Costco, it was very tough to beat. Like I didn't make
Oh
any
no,
money.
well, they got fat. Honestly, Ryan, if you want to get glasses, go on my website. Don't worry, they're not retail prices. They're very, very
They're
low
above
price.
retail, right?
No. Trust me, bro. People are that stupid. They come from my website to my store and pay retail price. I don't understand why. Meanwhile, if they just went on the website, the prices are totally different online.
Dude, that's
It's
hilarious.
like
We
I
officially
say,
broke structure, guys. We closed below
there's
on the
stupid,
5-minute
then
time
there's
frame.
Bronx stupid.
Yeah, that's
Anyways,
rough.
guys, have a good one. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Later.
Take care, Albert. If you want to go to the gym, let me know. Or get some ice cream. Ryan G, how much you spent on your glasses?
I mean, not that much. I think like $200 on everything, like the eye exam, the frames, the lenses, like all in like $200.
You have a generic frame or a designer frame?
They're Nikes.
Okay, so and then your vision, I'm guessing, is minus myopia, to see far only.
Yeah.
Does your lens, when you look at them, do they have that yellow and greenish coating?
I'd have to check. I got just like the standard ones, not whatever the fuck they were trying to sell me with the premium lenses.
Okay. Basic standard ones. When you take off your glasses, you could still see far away.
Yeah, I just can't read like the TV across the room, like sports scores and stuff, and like when I'm
Okay.
driving, I can't really
You
see the
probably
green
have like a
street signs.
-1. Yeah, you probably have a -1. Very basic shit. Yeah. Yeah, 200
Yeah,
bucks is
yeah.
actually very fair. Very fair with an eye exam.
Yeah, I
But you
thought
didn't
that
get ripped
place was
off.
not bad.
You didn't get ripped off at all, I promise you.
I was just fucking with him anyways.
But do you want me to tell you the prices of what it costs us?
Probably like $20.
The Nike frames costed me $16, and the lenses that you ordered costed me 50 cents.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, when I need new glasses, I'll hit you up.
No, I'm done. I closed my shop last April. Hit up Albert.
I'll hit up Albert. Maybe he can hook me up.
I'm done,
My
buddy.
prescription really didn't change that much
I look at
from like
charts now.
5 years
That's my
ago.
job. Guys, VIX broke out. This is the level of VIX now consolidation zone. This is the 200 EMA for VIX also. Now, if VIX breaks this, guys, it's party time. VIX is going to go to $16 or 1560s. So if this is major resistance on VIX, I don't believe SPY is going to go dump right now. It's going to take time. But you never know.
Man, I want it. I want PCP, dude.
PCP, how many percent is PCP? Oh, it's not that bad. PCP is 1/3%. That's not bad.
I just don't want us to bounce up before it goes. I want it to just fucking elevator mine shaft down.
I really want VWAP to break, and I'll get it back in. Doesn't look like they want to go fast today.
What do you need? I have everything.
In New York City, that's how everybody is, guys. Fucking hustlers like crazy. I was one of the biggest hustlers before I started doing day trading only. I became much more softer.
Pizza shop still doing well, Dimitri?
I sold half my share. The guy that I sold half to is my brother-in-law. He takes care of everything. I haven't been to the shop personally in the last 3 months.
Nice, dude. That's sick.
He comes to my house every day, drops off an envelope, and leaves. That's the pizza shop for you.
Oh, that's legit.
Yeah. Oh, thank God. Sold half my shares. I'm happy. Super happy, buddy. In the profits though also already, so I'm happy because of the sale.
Yeah, heck yeah. I mean, as long as he does a good job, it's only gonna keep paying you, so that's nice.
Yeah, he takes half the proceeds and he's on salary, so God bless him. He's the best. He was a full-time barber, and that's it. He retired barber life and he's doing pizza life now. What I really want to get into is the AI thing, Ryan G. I want to get like a. I've been looking at like ideas.
Okay, I'm back.
Have you heard of the website? Not the website, the app. Cal AI.
I have not.
It's like an extra add-on where you could just take a picture of your meal and it tells you all your macros of your food. And it's based on OpenAI, so it's like it's just using OpenAI as a third party, if that makes sense. Your whole
That's pretty
business is
sick.
ChatGPT. So like I'm just like thinking like what in the world do we need just to incorporate OpenAI technology?
We better hurry up because AI is going to figure out what AI businesses there isn't. It's going to be as
Be owned
simple
by
as
the
somebody
computer.
asking AI to come up with business ideas.
I'm
The most I
definitely gonna
really
get
know
on
is
that train.
talking to my Gemini.
That's like all I've been thinking for the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, honestly. Like I really want a AI business.
As soon as I buy my time back, I promise you I will figure out an AI business because I'm into this space heavy. I love this industry.
Yeah.
Norville, we're at last week's highs right now, bouncing. So if it breaks that, we have a good chance of dropping through.
Yep, 652.21 is last week's highs, guys. So these fuckers didn't even touch it to the T.
Look at the higher low bounce on Qs too.
I really want VWAP to break, guys. VWAP breaks, all the bears get shaken out. If they truly want to go south today.
Deep south?
Yeah, I'm being patient. I really want VWAP to break.
By the way, guys, if you guys are wondering why am I back on the call, because I'm driving to work and I figured might as well
Oh,
just
you
be on the
missed
call
us?
for entertainment. Oh
Love
yeah.
it.
You're going to the Bronx?
Yep.
How's the traffic today?
Bro, it's actually like, 15, 20 minutes away from our house. Traffic
You
is
know,
not
I'm
bad.
moving.
No, what do you mean?
I'm moving. I'm renting a place like 5 minutes away.
And fresh metal still?
Jamaica Estates.
Oh shit. Oh man,
It,
coming up.
the house is massive, Albert. Massive, massive.
You renting it?
Yeah, renting it. Massive, massive house. I've never seen a house this big.
You guys didn't decide to do the school system in Long Island?
No, no. Eleonora is in a private school right now.
This is a good school though still?
Yeah, still good school.
I think we should run masterminds in your future house, Dimitri.
Absolutely not. I would never do mastermind. It's the biggest. It's the
You can
biggest
do it
scam
all
and fraud
online.
business.
Everything's done online. You'd probably retain it better in the comfort of your home.
Buddy, Just think about it, guys. What the fuck can I teach you guys in person that I can't teach you guys online? What are you gonna believe me if I
It's
wear
not
a
about that.
Versace
You're not.
robe?
So there's where you don't understand. Again, part of marketing and psychology and understanding people. You got to understand in person, it's always more intimate. It's always more like you can watch all the Tony Robbins videos on YouTube, and you're not gonna have the same effect as opposed to you being there in person, listening to it, and the combination of everybody's energy in there. You know what I'm saying? It hits you different. I'm telling you this because I've been to many seminars.
All right, we'll
And,
start.
like,
We'll
it's a
start with you,
totally
Albert.
different
You can go first. I'll send you a link for 10,000.
He's gonna be the spokesperson
fuck
for it
that.
after
If
he
I'm
goes.
setting this shit up,
I'll
I'm
fly
the
you to-
coordinator. That shit is free.
I'll fly you to Miami. We'll set you up in a nice Airbnb. Dimitri and I come. We'll trade with you for a day, blow up half your money, and then bounce.
Yeah.
Joey.
Guys, you guys are thinking small. We gotta blow this motherfucker up. TradeHub spot is the spot.
This is not
We're
a business.
we're
buddy.
trying, dude. It's
Our
just
account is overdrawn every single week, buddy.
people come and
Right.
go. And Albert, you got to realize too. It's like the not everybody has the ability to have their own business, or you know, a lot of people are working and then trading with their hard-earned money and then losing their money, and it's just becoming a trader.
It's tough. I get it.
Every single YouTube video out there, dude, it fucking infuriates me because you see like these 18, 19-year-old Miami kids driving around in Bugattis and shit and saying that they got their big break and come join my course. But dude, those like home run fucking out of the blue plays aren't realistic for long-term growth. It's
Yeah,
something
Plus,
that,
Albert-
teaching other people.
Albert, I don't know if you're looking at the Discord. If I meet anybody in this Discord, I would be terrified because a lot of people hold grudges and a lot of people will say, "Hey, you lost me money." So it's gonna be, and then they're gonna end up fucking being this motherfucker right here.
that was Joey when you met Joey.
Exactly. So it's like, yo, buddy.
Oh gosh.
I get it.
I don't know. I'm a very friendly guy. I'm a very generous guy.
I'd rather do like a
Free.
I'd rather do like a team TradeHub meetup type of deal where we all just like cater food and kick it
Chill.
and meet each other. More so like have a organized fucking trading live event. It would be easier to do it.
Normal, you're hilarious. Normal.
If you guys think of something in person, I'll be there. I'll be in Miami for the winter, so it'd be awesome to meet up there. But New York's not too far.
Where are you from, Mr. X?
I'm up in Toronto, but I'm dual U.S. Canadian.
Oh, nice.
Looking for something for the winter in Miami, possibly because I can't take winters up here anymore.
What?
Where in Toronto are you?
Right downtown, Little Italy.
Fuck yeah! Right next to the baseball stadium.
That's a bit further south, but yeah, I mean, you're in the city, you can walk everywhere, right? So yeah.
Nice. I used to be in Toronto every couple of weeks. I used to be in Toronto.
For free.
My old business partner.
We got sucked into doing YouTube podcasts for free.
Yeah.
So you drive up?
I used to take a flight. It was a 1-hour flight. So I used
you
to
did?
be in Toronto every 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, I love Toronto.
Yeah, it's nice in the summer, in the fall. Then it gets pretty awful in the winter. So I'd love to meet you guys somewhere. You know, communication is like 50% nonverbal, so it'd be cool to get all the inside jokes and stuff.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. X. Finally, somebody said something that was true and not out of their ass, with all due respect.
No, it's true. It's true. 50%.
In person is absolutely important. It's just in this generation, they got you fucked up thinking that everything could be done behind a screen. And then you miss out on all the other social cues and opportunities, or whatever you want to say. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I got kids. You walk into the room where they're all sitting and they're all on their phones in the same room talking to each other. It's like crazy.
Yeah, I'm not about that. I mean, I have 2 toddlers and they're on their iPads and all this stuff. I can't wait till they start reading so I could knock that shit off their hands and give them a book instead.
We'll be addicted by then. Just get them away from screens for a while.
Yeah, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough.
Dimitri, I made you a
Guys,
shirt.
I have calls. I have calls on my screen. Friday's expiration. I have calls on my screen. I'm gonna get calls. Last week's highs. Last week's highs is approaching 650 220s. I want a little bit lower, and I'm gonna get calls.
Dimitri, you like
Dimitri, I have a question. Trading question.
I'm in calls, guys.
You made a video. You made a video on the VIX and like when the market is volatile or something. It wasn't the VIX class. It was like the other VIX class. It was like a strangle method you were teaching, I believe. Do you ever do that still or no?
Hold on, Albert. I'm printing money right now. Hold on.
What was the
VIX
question,
is
Albert?
Like where he could buy calls and puts, like where he buys calls and puts at the same time or something like that. He does.
That was
It was
for,
a video that
have
you
to
made in
wait.
the masterclass.
that
You
was
have to wait until the VIX is over 20 to do
yeah,
that method.
and that's on.
It's not going to work if the VIX is under 20.
You need a
It's
high
only
VIX
going to work
environment.
also for SPX or NDX. It's only going to work for those indices, those volatility indices.
Got it.
Dude, when
You must wait.
like Joey said during the tariff talks, dude, VIX spiked up to like $80 was the high. We were getting like $40 cycles
time to
intraday.
Strangle. Yeah, that's
Hear
the
what?
best time to do it.
Oh my god.
There was like, I remember a day there was like $30, $40
Dimitri, why
cycles.
did you? Fuck, man. I wish I knew Dimitri back then. I mean, I was in I mean, I knew him back then, but I wasn't in
You
contact
did know
with him.
me.
Obviously, I've known you since fucking junior high, bro.
Albert, trust me. I met them in February, and I got smoked during that time because I didn't know nothing, and that shit was quick.
All about education.
So you got it the other way around. Yeah, so there's two sides of the coin.
Dude, there was a guy in here, Albert, that made like $40,000 in one day by accident. And then he said, should I sell?
Jeez.
Oh my god.
Printing
You
right
could have
now.
lost
Who's
that
printing,
same
guys?
amount, right?
Anybody printing?
Pretty sure he gave it all back. I forgot who it was.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
Printing right now. A little bit higher, guys, than I sell. Sloping resistance, I sell. Printing right now, baby.
Dimitri, I'm cooking right now. I'm making you some freaking beautiful shirts.
Can you please send me 2 hoodies and those 2 shirts, man?
I want you to wear this shirt first, and I will.
I'm adding.
No, I want you to. I want you to record a video with this shirt on.
There you go.
I mean, puts.
This is my second
No,
trade.
but you need
Ryan, and I'm
but
in
you need
call.
to have market open
Read it.
to it. You know.
That's it, man. Yeah, you nailed it.
Boom, boom, boom.
Oh yeah,
Roll out, guys.
we can make a boom 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 shirt.
Sloping resistance.
I'm adding.
Oh wow,
Price
that's
target hit,
hilarious.
guys. Price target hit.
I'm adding.
You got to
shirt.
put your logo in there, right? If you guys are marketing your
Yeah.
whole thing, where's the logo?
Yeah, boom's the word. Look at
TradeHub
that.
stock.
I think you should just put market opens and then I'm in puts in big letters and then the picture. I don't know. I just feel like that's a lot of words.
And then on
As
the
soon as
back,
the market
on the
opens.
back, it's going to be a screenshot of his P&L for the year.
Yo, Ryan, did you take that? Because you mentioned last week's highs.
I'm still holding. I have a
Wow.
profit spot on if we
You're
break
a
this
fucking
consolidation here.
champion, baby. I took my 17 cents and I ran out.
Oh,
Dimitri, why did you take that long?
I took that long because 652.21 was last week's highs. Last week's high was September 5th, and it's a weekly level. I always have last week's highs and last week's lows on my chart.
it's also
are
a
purple
strong
levels.
bounce zone in pre-market.
Correct, yeah.
So it didn't hit it, but it it was close enough.
I FOMO'd entry at 11:34 when I saw strong candle. That strong 11:34. That was my entry.
Okay, that was
And
huge.
and my exit was sloping resistance, but I
Right.
didn't know that sloping resistance would break.
They
But
can
I
go to
had
VWAP
17
right
cents
now.
sometime.
They can run VWAP
Yep.
right now.
Yeah.
653
So I
40s.
sized in 100 contracts, 17 cents to $1,700. So I'm very happy.
Norville, you're shorting? Careful. 653.40 is probably best area to short.
The best short, guys, was when I was telling you guys VWAP. I want VWAP to break, all the bears leave, all the bulls get lined up, and then that's when they smack it down.
I bet you we're going to close
I'm waiting for
flat
VWAP
today.
to break.
They're probably going to close this sucker
So-
flat today.
This is like probably the second or third time I asked you why you took the trade, and you always point back to some line that you drew a while ago. Do you have a class on the lines you draw, when you draw them? Which
Yes,
one?
I'm gonna do a master class. Cherie actually asked me to do a master class how I get all my levels. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna do a master class.
Because you could look at dailies, and then you just have too many lines on your screen, right?
The
I
one
have
we
a
just
shit ton of
bounced
lines
off
on
was
this.
1 week high, so like last week's high.
Correct. Yeah, that's my purple level, Mr. XYZ. Purple level signifies weekly levels,
Okay.
and then my yellow levels, which we have 0 yellow levels until 647. Those are strong demand areas.
Strong what?
Strong demand or strong supply levels.
And you got
Those
that?
I get on my 1-hour charts. So I get levels
Oh.
from 1-hour charts.
Okay. And the weekly was from a 1 hour as well, or
The weekly is from a weekly chart. So last week's highs,
okay.
last week's low.
Okay, weekly and 1 hour. All right.
Yeah.
I
And
mark
then my
out the past 4 weeks high and low on the 1 week chart.
yeah, I do it for the past 2 weeks, but yeah, it works. Weekly levels are very strong.
I don't look that far back. I see strong demand at pre-market 7:30, bounce 8:30 bounce, supply at 4 o'clock this morning. That's pretty much as far back as I would look, and I still had a line there in the
I'll be
same
right back.
spot. Depends what racetrack you're on. If you're trading intraday, 0-day expiration contracts, I'm charting off the 1 minute chart, and I'm looking where buyers line up on the 1 minute chart. Does it make sense?
When you trade SPX, you're doing SPXW, correct?
No, I'm trading
Options.
SPX. My broker has options on SPX. What are you on, Robinhood?
No, Interactive Brokers.
I don't know if they
But it's
have-
just the week. You're doing 0-day on SPX, right?
correct.
Okay. So it doesn't matter if it's weeklies or monthlies. It's still the 0-day.
Mm-hmm. 0-day to expiration, yeah. Everybody green today?
Crickets.
I know. Are you green?
I'm green.
I'm still green.
Oh, wow, look at market, guys. I sold way too early. Fuck.
Green.
Did not expect them to go this high. This fast.
MBZ, did you take any profits out on the pullback of your swing, or are you just going to sit in them? You sold everything?
I just entered puts, guys. I just entered puts. This is the 200 and POC. I will double if VWAP breaks. I have Friday's expiration.
That's not bad, dude. $300 more than what you woke up with. Yeah, it's beautiful. Slow and steady, my friend. you have to hone in your daily average, and that's where you have to float around. So once you find your daily average, will give you a pretty clear indicator on where you need to be and how much you should be risking per day.
Ryan,
Yeah.
so, real quick, when you decide you're gonna do that momentum class, right? Would it be possible to include your charting style, like meaning how you create your levels, so that way, because it's kind of more like, you know what I mean? It has a more confluence to it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's
Because
I would
like
do the class
Ryan
the
based
doesn't
off
way
of
trade
my
the
chart.
bubble.
I would do the class based off of my chart. My levels are all intraday 1 minute where buyers and sellers line up. That's it. I don't really look too far back. I'll look maybe prior week, but other than that, I'm looking at after hours, pre-market, and the day before.
Mhm.
Like that's what I was just saying. I don't know if you heard me, but that level that Dimitri had 652.20s or whatever, I had a line on my chart from this morning, but that was from that bounce in pre-market. See 720, 730 area pre-market bounce, 820 pre-market bounce. I saw buyers lining up there in pre-market when I was charting this morning. I put a line there. Doesn't always respect it that nicely, but it's something to look at.
Right, right. Okay, cool.
Has anyone figured out a way of watching Dimitri and Ryan's screens at the same time in Discord?
I
Is
don't
that
know.
possible?
Yeah.
I
Instead
don't
of
know.
watch stream, you click the right button on the right side. It says watch both.
Oh,
Oh, jeez.
look at you. I didn't know that. And the audio works still?
Yeah.
Let me try this. Oh, this is cool. Can you do
Yeah,
like
you can
picture
watch
in
both of them.
picture?
Yeah, Kodak picture.
Does it do picture in picture?
This is the VWAP guys. I want them to break, test the macro broken channel, and I'm gonna double. This is the best level for puts in my opinion. If you do have calls, I would shorten them out. Tell them. Beautiful. Let's dump.
Let's dump. Is Den on? No, Den's not on. Den's having a great week.
So nasty outside. Ryan, how's the weather outside there in the deep south?
The deep south. It's
In
warm.
Florida, I mean,
It's warm. Let's
so
see.
cloudy and muggy and rainy here. It's gross.
Gloomy is the best word.
Yeah, you just summarized everything. Cloudy, rainy, and muggy.
It's 87
Yeah.
degrees.
Oh wow, that's sick,
Um,
bro. I'm already wearing a fucking windbreaker.
Shuri,
Kinda chilly.
if you hover over, what stream are you on right now? Are you watching Dimitri's or mine?
Instead of clicking watch stream, Shuri, on the right side, the second button on the right side.
Yeah, but if she's already on yours, it's not going to show up.
Oh, so you gotta click on his, and then on the right side it says watch both.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't click watch stream. Click on that small little
That
one that
little
says watch
eye.
both.
Yeah, it's a little eye.
Yeah, that little.
I didn't
Yeah,
know
it's
that
an
you could do
icon.
that. I wish I could figure out how to make them picture. That would be cool. You know what I mean?
Come on, let's dump, baby. Today is a fucking dreadful day, man. I want the VIX over 20.
Why is my stream quality 5 frames per second? That's terrible. Look where we open and look where we are. Going into lunchtime in the middle.
Oh wow, power's coming in, motherfucker.
Are you still in
You
something?
wanna go north? I have puts. I'm down 15 cents.
I thought you were going to short when they broke VWAP.
I'm gonna double. I FOMO'd in. I got in at POC. I should have stuck to my plan. I always FOMO, I realize, and cost me a few $1,000.
653.70s.
That was my literally plan like half hour ago that VWAP is gonna break.
653.70s.
Do not stick to my plan.
QQQ's firing up. What did
I want
Jim
the
say?
broken macro trend line to test.
Stock of the year. Holy shit. Look at what Jim posted last night.
What did he post?
QMMM went from $8 to $303 in one day.
Nice.
I wonder if he shorted that. It's back to $50.
Nice.
Wow.
A little bit higher, and I'm gonna double, guys. I want the back test of the macro sloping support from yesterday.
Q.
A little bit higher. You know I'm gonna go right now. Oh wait. There you go, guys. I just doubled. Next Friday, this Friday's expiration.
Holy shit. What is this?
Is this the 50% of the whole day also? Yeah. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna go, Ryan. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done. I'm just chilling. I'm good. Are you out? What are you doing?
No, I have this Friday 654 puts.
Look at Oracle. What's Oracle doing? Is Oracle ripping? ORCL. Oh, wow. Holy shit. What the fuck happened to Oracle? They had terrible earnings and they went blast off.
It's AI. They give the database for all the AI companies. Oracle is a big AI player.
I know. I'm just looking at their earnings report. It's not the greatest, and they went from $240 to $340.
Oh, they're up 41% in one day. That's impressive. That is
Wow.
very impressive. Wow, that is very, very impressive. That big
Is
ass
this
move.
Blue Skies?
What's their
Yeah, this is Blue
What's their
Skies.
market cap? What's their market cap right now?
Their market cap is...
Wow, they're gonna be $1 trillion company. Holy shit.
$961 billion.
Wow.
Dude, they went $100 into Blue Skies. Holy shit, look at the daily time frame. I would short this. I don't know why, but I would short this. $100 move that's wild.
It's not. Everybody and their mothers are shorting this. Wait until the momentum changes. Not yet. Not yet. Look at the conditions on the 30-minute RI and look at the conditions on the
no, I
1
know.
hour. Look at the conditions. Wait until the conditions flatten macro and then short it.
Cloud's looking crazy.
There's no reason to
I never really
short.
looked at the Oracle options chain. Probably
No reason to
IV's
short.
probably through the moon. Look at the 4 hour. Holy shit. You know what's crazy too? They did this stair step from like the beginning of August. Lower highs and lower lows all the way for a month and then blast off. Everybody thought they caught the top and got freaking steamrolled. Because that was all-time highs. They were at all-time highs. Global crypto adoption. I don't know what's up with Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin's just pinned at 113,000. Seems like that's where it wants to live. Above 100,000 and under 120 since July. It's just been hanging out here.
Yeah. Yeah, but they pumped that shit out of nowhere.
Oh, buddy, this thing's been pumping since 2022 of October.
No, I get it. You know, they
This
have their
thing's wild.
moments where they have like their spurts. And when
Yeah.
it pumps big.
I'm so mad. I didn't participate in any of that. The only thing that I made money on was a Dogecoin. Other than that, I didn't really
Make good money on it?
Yeah. I think I did like 300,000. 290,000.
Oh shit. That's what's up. At what price did you sell?
It was under $1. But I had it when it was
during
like
that time,
point
during
zero.
like the first big pump?
Yeah. This was years and years ago. I had it at like 0.000 something.
Wow, you put it at the bottom. That's what's
Yeah.
up.
Yeah, I had like 300,000 shares of it. But it didn't cost me shit. It cost me like $5,000.
That's a come up.
That money got evaporated from my day trading anyway.
Really?
Oh yeah, dude. I lost anything big like when I first started trading like that. It was I blew that. It happens. Happens when you get big wins like that and you don't know what the fuck you're doing. You think you're gonna do it every single week.
Think you're invincible. That's just the way it goes.
Yeah. Also during COVID, I made a lot of money off of airline stocks during COVID. Ton of money off of airlines. Spirit Airlines.
Yeah, you're right. That was a good time. What, you
Spirit
shorted all
Airlines.
of them?
No, Spirit Airlines. I went long on Spirit. Like fucking, it was like $7, and it went back to 70.
That's crazy.
Full time, Chris.
Fucking
I would
Spirit.
say at least 5 to 6 years. Sustaining profitability and consistently staying profitable. I'd say I've only consistently been profitable for about 2.5 years now. And that has a lot to do with my sizing. I used to size way too heavy and I didn't know what the fuck I was doing, and then I'd get scared and I'd play with 5 contracts and I would make money. It was like a emotional roller coaster. Once I got that in check and I was just banging like 50 to 100 contracts a trade and just trying to stay consistent and catch 10-cent moves, it will add up for you. You just have to be patient. Be patient with yourself and learning.
Hey, I think you should give me a majority credit.
Oh, dude, you saved me getting my ass off of Robinhood.
Buddy, when I introduced you to fucking TOS, when I introduced you to fucking Josh and supply and demand and everything, I think that was the beginner point of your profitability.
Yeah. SPX though, dude, I do have to say I did get my ass handed to me. It's a humbler, you know. It is a humbler. You have to be very careful. That's why I'm not like really trying to promote SPX and have you guys rely on SPX, because it could be so unpredictable. The best way
You
to
need money in SPX, bro.
Well, it's not about needing money. You could buy one contract and catch a $3 to $4 position mover. You know, it's just if you're on the wrong side of it, your position's gone. It's like all or nothing.
Exactly.
So I'm not really good at stopping out either.
653 is my price target from my puts, guys. I'm gonna sell all my puts at 653.
No, Chris, I've never traded XSP. I'm only trading SPY or SPX. And then every once in a while, if I see something like yesterday, like Apple, I did Apple. I did UNH earlier this year. I'll play VIX if we get our volatility spike on VIX. Maybe an SPXL position if we get a huge pullback, things like that. I try to keep it as simple as possible. The less is more when you're looking for tickers to trade. If you're losing money on SPY, you're going to be losing money everywhere else. So if you can master trading supply and demand on one ticker, you can do it in other places. But if
Chris,
you
did you ever watch the options class, options master class? Because your answer is going to be answered on that if you watched it or not. I think you didn't watch it because XSP has zero liquidity.
Oh, he doesn't have the
Here.
masterclass access.
Yeah. So the reason why I like to trade SPY or SPX is because you can buy and sell market. It's lightning fast. Everything else you're gonna get slippage on. Always look at the spreads. Look at the bid and ask, and look how far apart they are. I've never heard of XSP.
What masterclass was it?
Options masterclass.
Yeah,
I
do
think
you
it's
remember which one
second
it
or
was?
third to last. I think it's second or third to last.
Second or third to last. I did the VIX, the setup, macro.
$6.53, guys. I exit everything. But you see what they did, guys? They broke VWAP. They got all the bulls lined up. All the bears were shaken out, and they're gonna dump right now. Hopefully, hopefully. This is gonna be my last trade, and I'll leave.
When you talk about the Greeks and everything,
Correct. You gotta really learn options, man. Once you learn options, you're gonna stop looking at other tickers. Like, I don't care about any ticker when it comes to options. Just short and buy them. Short selling or buy other tickers if you want. You gotta be very careful with options and other tickers. Because market makers are tricky. Six one, Ryan. Norval said 6-1.
yeah, that's it. Less than 9, yeah, the Greeks. Does anyone following crypto think Bitcoin goes down next year in the middle of having cycle or too much institutional money now? Oh, dude, I don't know, MBZ. I can't do technical analysis on crypto. It makes no sense to me.
Boom, boom, boom. We are fucking printing, baby. A little bit lower, guys, and I'm all out. A little bit lower. Boom, boom, boom. Anybody take that trade? I'm all out, guys. I'm done.
Nice job.
Anybody take that? Nope. All right, guys. I'm all out.
Anybody took it that?
Not as much as you, but I'm fucking happy, buddy. Buddy, these last 2 weeks is fucking wild.
Oh, dude, you killed it yesterday too.
Every single day, buddy, for the last 2 to 3 weeks. I'm impressed.
I'm impressed too. Honestly, if you waited maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes before you got into a position, could you imagine how much more you would make? Or if you didn't swing?
Oh, this is great. I'm just holding SDS shares, guys. I will be swinging those. My average for SDS is like 650, 230s SPY, so I'm
Dimitri,
swinging SDS. Yeah, what's up, buddy?
hey, what do you think of Tesla?
Let me see. Let me see. Let me
Tesla,
see.
Tesla, Tesla, Tesla.
TSLA.
I don't expect much. Just maybe go to 360. Do you think it can go?
Ooh, Tesla's
So
looking bullish.
look at Tesla in November 2024. November
Uh-huh.
2024, November 11th, 2024. Look at it. You see that crazy cluster?
I'm driving right.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, so 358.90 is huge. We're at huge. We got to get out of this zone because
Yeah,
if it gets
this
out of
zone
this
is.
zone, we're going to 400.
Look at
I
this
know, man.
sloping
This
support,
360 is
dude.
the tough level actually.
Off the 4 hour.
Yeah. No, Tesla looking good. Tesla
Yeah.
looking good. Macro, it's looking good. I like Tesla.
4 hour looks
So
healthy.
I saw like a hourly basis. It tried to cross down the MACD or PPO whatever, but
Yeah.
it reversed actually, and it feels like I think they were just looking for that reversal. I'm just speculating, but that's
Tesla
why I
looking
wanted
good on
to.
the daily time frame swing trades. I do
Yeah,
believe Tesla is gonna fill the gap at 405. There's a gap at 405. The thing is that Tesla is very overvalued, but there's a crazy hype over those social media pictures that people post regarding Uber, Lyft, and then the robo taxi. So
yeah,
huge social
okay,
media euphoria right now. So I do believe Tesla's gonna go to 400, 405. Yeah, Tesla's bullish right now.
yeah. Overall, I think like before going to 300, they will show 400, maybe, that way. So
I definitely do believe they're gonna go to 400. The daily time frame looking great, man. Look at the sloping macro
I saw
support.
that. Yeah, I saw that. Yes.
It's beautiful, beautiful. The pennant broke also. The pennant, it's gonna go up. Tesla's very bullish. I like Tesla.
Yeah, I got in TSLD yesterday at 18, 17, 19, around like
Mm-hmm.
3,000 shares. So I'm just thinking like, should I add or little bit sell? Something like.
I
But
mean, it
anyways,
could
yeah,
still fall to 340 to 330. It could still fill the gap from the other day because there's a gap at 340, 339.
so it,
So
it did day before yesterday, went to 343. Yesterday it went to 346, like max. And then today again it went to 347 and then reversed it.
So it's a
So
cash cow. You gotta understand that market makers, Tesla is a
yeah,
cash cow. They do the best thing for Tesla if you want to make crazy money is do iron condors always.
uh-huh.
It's a cash cow for Tesla because the IV is so jacked up, so people line up, they buy puts, they buy calls, and they wipe them all out. And then when everything is wiped out, then they do big moves. If you haven't noticed,
Yeah,
so
correct.
yeah, Tesla could still go to
Uh,
345 and then 358. It's in
yeah,
consolidation right now since Friday. Like
That's
all
what
the calls and all the puts are destroyed from last
MSTR
week.
MSTR options remind me of how Tesla was in the when Tesla first started getting popular,
Yeah.
where we were getting those
No,
freaking
correct.
shares are
60
good, buddy.
$70
Shares
moves.
just keep adding. Keep adding at every dip at Tesla shares, man.
Yeah, over longer run it will go up, but anyways, thank you. But
Yeah, especially if you get 339, you should add heavy. 339. I like 339 for Tesla. 338, 339. That would be a gift. But Tesla overall, out of all the magnificent 8, 7, 9, whatever, the PE ratio is disgusting. You know that, right? Swing trades.
yeah, I know, but it's been there since 2009. Just
Yeah, yeah.
been there.
Google is the best out of everything. I hope
Google,
you
yeah,
still have your Google. Yeah,
yeah, I still have, but I sold most of them and just kept whatever I will carry for multiple years. Those
yeah,
positions I don't sell, but whatever I added, I sold it. Yeah,
yeah. Tesla has the worst financial fundamentals, man. It's like
yeah, it's just
Palantir.
a one. Correct. I mean, one, two. I mean, two, three mistakes, and that will be like a disaster. That kind of scenario. No?
Yeah,
Like,
correct. Yeah, it's just a fucking teapot of disaster, or I don't know, euphoria.
All right, man. I'm gonna jump off.
I'm also gonna jump off. I'm done trading, guys. I'm just holding SDS shares. Thank you so much for being here,
Yeah.
guys.
If you guys have any questions, feel free to send myself or Dimitri a message. Good job today, buddy.
You too. Take care,
See you
guys. Bye bye.
Bye.